Hi, I'm Mark. I'm one half of Alchemy Ferns. There's my wife Linda. We are here today at Tatton Park and we specialise in hardy ferns and tree ferns. A lot of people have dry areas that things won't grow, well ferns will. And a lot of people everybody's got a north wall or a shady wall where there's no colour and nothing will grow. Well, ferns will grow where other things won't grow. Tips on keeping ferns. Generally, if they're in a shady area, damp, people don't generally feed ferns, but if you do feed ferns, you do reward them and they will just grow and flush up so much better. Deciduous and evergreen ferns, if you trim them back in early spring, they flush up so much better with a fresh flush of vibrant fronds, and they, it really do stand out. Yeah, for someone who's new to ferns, and there's Dryopteris varieties and Polystyrchon varieties. They're both so easy and forgiving. They're happy in the damp, but they can cope with the dry, shade, a bit of sun, and in containers they're fairly bulletproof really and very rewarding. With regards to propagating ferns, generally they do reproduce from spores that are produced on the underside of the fronds, but it's a very long process to actually get from a spore to a young plug to a finished plant really. But if you do have a fern that's quite large in the garden, they're like an herbaceous perennial. You just split them as you would a perennial. October to March, get a sharp spade, slice them in two, and they do split readily. Yeah, I mean, there are some more exotic ferns that you can get that are hardy in the UK. We have one on the stand here today, a Coniogram. It's from China, it's a Chinese bamboo fern. And they've got like lovely zebra stripes through the fronds. Slugs and snails can have a little nibble at them, but they are really exotic and look something a bit special. Ferns are also problem solvers in the garden. If you've got dry soil, dry areas, there are certain ferns that are quite happy and tolerant growing in those dry areas. Dark, shady areas where no other things will grow, we can't get flowers, ferns thrive. There are so many sort of varieties of ferns. You can get ferns that are small ground cover, little balls, ending up to 3-4 feet can easily be achieved with a fern in your garden. Some of them are really quite grand and architectural. Give it a go.